Hello everyone, welcome to LearnPress tutorial videos for LearnPress. In this video, I'm gonna talking about how to use Co-Instructors add-on for LearnPress. Are you looking for an add-on that allows you to create courses with multiple instructors in a single course? Co-Instructors add-on will help you to do that. This add-on will allow multiple instructors to teach in the same class. The main instructor can add other as co-instructor to the course. The co-instructor can only edit his own lessons, cannot edit the other author's content. To use this add-on, you need to download and activate it on your website. After successfully activating Co-Instructor add-on, go to your dashboard, LearnPress, Courses. Choose the pre-made course you want to add Co-Instructor. Scroll down to Course Settings. Choose Tab Author. Add the name of co-instructor. Then remember to update course. From now, the co-instructor Catherine can edit the content in this course. You can log into this user's account to see. Here is the dashboard of Catherine. Go to LearnPress, Courses. You will see the courses already in the list to edit. That's all about how to use Co-Instructor add-on for LearnPress. Hope you will find it easier to use. Please like and subscribe if this video is useful for you, and if you want to get more tutorial video from us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial videos.